Guys, we're going to change IBC. We're going to look if there is possibility to change PDF format or JPEG format. There were some arguments at the court that it is possible. Some were arguing it is possible. Some were saying, how can you change someone's signatures, which is very difficult. There are so many softwares that have the capacity to change anything, be it numbers, softwares, shapes. So I will show you how that is possible. So how to manipulate example IBC form, because that is now the trend in Kenya, PDF form or JPEG form. So if the hackers were able to get into the system, which I'm not sure, because the judges have not given their verdict yet, but I want to show you the possibilities if they get in the system, how easy it was to change the PDF or to manipulate the PDF document or the JPEG. So I will go and use a software called Adobe Illustrator. Of course, there are so many softwares that you can use, like Adobe Photoshop, Inkscape, CorelDRAW. We have so many. So I will start from scratch. I will go and download IBC form 34A. I will go and download one. Just want to see the possibility. Let us start with let us take Busia. Let's go with Busia, Budalangi constituency, Bunyala Central, Bamama Primary. So let us use this and download it. I'm just showing you the process maybe that the hackers could have used. So I will take it out of I will bring it out. We'll bring it out by downloading it out. Then let me give it a folder. IBC. Let me put it in that folder. Remember, the document is in PDF format. You can see PDF format, but I have not downloaded PDF. That is why it's coming with a browser logo. So I will go back. I will open that pen. IBC. Here is it. Open. So I want to manipulate that document that was being said. It is impossible to change the signatures, the numbers. It's very easy. Let me show you. Come with me. Here it is. It has opened. Let us confirm if this is the correct. Yes, this one is very correct. Now I am not sure if these guys had an access to the server or not. I'm not a judge, but I am that IT guy who just want to show you the possibilities. So for instance, here we have Odinga Raila 99, Ruto William 59. So how can people play with these numbers? Of course, these are the key numbers here. So it's very easy. I want you to see here what will happen. So just want to change the numbers. Okay, maybe I want to, because Odinga Raila, so I can give Odinga Raila, maybe let's do, because you have to ensure the form is original and someone is not able to realize the mistake, where the mistake is. So it's a matter of playing with the numbers. So you see these three here can bring a very huge change. So let me show you. Odinga Raila is the winner in this case, followed by William Ruto, and we have Wahiga 00, then Wajakoya 3. So let me use these three from Wajakoya to make Odinga Raila with less votes. So I will come here, copy this. I will take this. There are so many tools to use for that, so I will take that 3. I will take that 3. Sorry. I will take this 3. Make sure the 3 is original. So Odinga Raila, we'll give Odinga Raila. Now you see, it is now 39. It is now 39. You see, let me zoom for you to see. I will zoom it for you. You see, it is very possible to manipulate this document. Let's wait for what the court will say. Sorry, my microphone has fallen. Let's wait for what the court will say. Say, I will manipulate that way. And you see now, we have these 3. These 3 is what can take people to court. You see, yes, manipulate. Now you see here, there is this number which is trying to show. We can see that. Very nice. You see now 039. Now root of 59. Okay. So in case root should be on top. Okay. So what we will do here also is to bring out the 3 and take out the Raila. Root of Raila. Oh, it should not be on top because the form was designed to be like that. So we will give 39, that is Odinga, and root of 59, which means Ruto is the winner. Okay, if you take out 3, Raila is the winner. If you bring in the 3 back, then you get Ruto is the winner. So after you've manipulated this document, which is in format of PDF, and as we told you, the meaning of PDF means portable document format. Portable document format. So it is portable. It's a document that can be shared. So Odinga Raila is the winner there. Let us come and manipulate the signatures. These are the signatures. So if I want to take this signature out, it's very easy. Let me show you. I will take out this signature here. Take out this signature. Graphic designers will tell you how this is done, but I'm just doing it very fast because yes, I have the signature, so I can place the signature here if I want for someone else to sign. You see, it is still original. The signature is the same, everything is the same. So I can also replace the signature to this guy to manipulate. You see, I have changed the signature. Look at this here. I'm going to change the signature. I have changed the signature. So this was Azimio, this is UDA, this is, so I can say manipulate it to be here, or I can add another person here. So I have the same signature of the same person who signed it. So I can also change. What else can be changed here? Let me look. Total number of this. So after your calculations, 39. Of course, you can also tamper with this. Total number of registered voters, this one. Then you can also minus. Of course, why are we not using the numbers like example? Let me show you something here. Let me show you something that designers do not want to use when it comes to manipulation of how do you call it, of documents. So I'm going to write 9. That is 9. Let me properties. Let me give it. You see this 9. This is we call it font. This font type is very different from this font type, which is the handwriting of the person. So the computer font type and the handwriting is very different. So you cannot take the computer font and replace it with the handwriting. It will not be genuine. It will look fake. So instead of using this, you will just copy the handwriting of the guy, of that guy. Let me show you how you copy that. I will come and take the handwriting of that person. Come and take that handwriting. We have 9. You see, this 9 and this 9, they are the same. If I take this 9 and put it down here, you see, this means the same person is the person who gave the handwriting, is the person who wrote on the form. So the form is original. So what designers look, we call them graphics manipulators. So you see, let us bring it here. So who will tell that that number 9 has been manipulated? The form will look original and no one can judge the form. Look at this. Then after they have finished, because the IBC portal receives JPG, JPEG means joint photographical expert group. That is just in form of a picture. So because the IBC changes the format into, after you've taken a picture through KimSkit, then the KimSkit converts the picture into portable document format, which is PDF. Then I can also decide to do what the KimSkit is doing through this software. And if I have the access to the server, then what I will have to do is just to take it and throw it inside the portal, the server, and that's it. So let's see, file, save as PDF. We'll save it as a PDF. So let me use it fake. This is fake. It's saving. Let us go into that folder and I will tell you the difference between the two. Let us go to IBC. We have the fake and the original. Let us open the original. This one is the original one. You see here Odinga Raila 99. Let me show you the fake one. The fake one is here. Odinga Raila now 39, 59. This one is fake. This is not right. This is wrong. And that's why people go to court, because just number 3 made a very big difference. You see, 3 is a number, 0 is a number. Instead we can have 0 to give someone in front of 2 zeros. If you add 1, that is 1000. So then it is possible, if someone has an access to the server, then they can go inside and replace the PDF documents into their own ways. So maybe we can say, yes, maybe, there is this. This is let me show you. Maybe there is this. This is Bomas of Kenya. This is Bomas of Kenya, and this was the Tallying Center. Okay, so what was happening? It was all the forms were expected to come all the way from Tallying Center to Bomas of Kenya. Okay, from Tallying Center to Bomas of Kenya. Okay, that was the case, but someone grabbed it on the way here. Let me show you what happened. Okay, this is Tallying Center. Let's give it a color. Tallying Center. This is Bomas of Kenya. Okay, just doing something. Tallying Center. This is Tallying Center. This is Bomas. So what hackers do? What hackers do, so that you understand. Instead of this document going all directly to Bomas of Kenya, they will first grab it here before it reaches Bomas. They grab it, they bring it down here, they manipulate it, here. Okay, this is from yes, they manipulate it. When it's coming all the way to Bomas, then they grab it, they bring it down here. Then after manipulation, they leave it to continue with the journey. And when it gets to Bomas now, it's already manipulated. Now the people at the Bomas will maybe, this is not sure, okay? So don't use this as something that happened. This is maybe, okay? So this is Bomas, this is Tallying Center, this is Bomas of Kenya. What is needed is the KIMS kit to transfer the information from Tallying Center to Bomas. So instead, hackers will grab it and have it here. Then after they've manipulated it, they will release it to continue with the journey to here. So what these people get, it is what has been manipulated. Then they will of course read it, because hackers will not take it from you here. They don't take it from here, they grab it from the center. Okay, then now that is where now this form, let me show you. Let me show you. This is form 34A. When it is sent with agents, it is coming this way. Instead of it going straight to here, then they will grab it here, bring it down, manipulate it to their own ways, then release it to go up, and then bring it here. Now what you will read here will not be the right thing. So instead, we needed the Constitution wants it to come from here to here direct. But the grabbers always, the hackers always take it, grab it from here, bring it down, then continue, then leave it, continue with the journey to here. I hope now you understand how maybe what hackers do. This does not assured you that there was a grabbing until the judges make their point. Maybe this is I'm just doing this tutorial to show you how hackers hack documents. Okay, when they have also they have to work graphic designers have to work with the cybercrime team and the hackers, and that's it. Yeah.